Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You'll start by getting the hardware and software ready. Power on the Canon Mini and make sure it has paper and battery. On your phone, install the Canon Mini Print app, then enable Bluetooth and location services. The app needs those to discover the printer. Once done, open the app and follow initial prompts to allow permissions. This prevents pairing failures. Make sure your phone's Wi-Fi is off if using Bluetooth-only discovery, because conflicting networks can slow detection. Next, pair the phone with the printer inside the app. Tap Add or Connect and select the Canon Mini's name from the list. You may see a PIN prompt, enter it, or accept an automatic pairing dialog. This secures the link. Once paired, configure print options. Choose size, margin, and paper type so colors and crop match expectations. Make small test adjustments, because tiny changes in margins or paper setting can significantly affect final output. This avoids wasted prints. Finally, send a test photo from the app and watch both the on-screen progress and the printer LEDs to confirm activity. This verifies connection and settings. If nothing prints, restart both devices, reopen the app, and reattempt pairing. This clears temporary Bluetooth or app glitches. Make sure paper is correctly loaded and the ink pack is seated. If problems continue, grant the app location and storage permissions, because missing permissions commonly block file access.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.